Hey everybody, welcome back to the Florida Lanai Curtains Privacy On Demand YouTube channel. And today we're up in the Viera area of Melbourne, Florida again. We do a lot of work up in this community just simply because all of the houses have very strange lot lines and they seem to be very close together. So today you can see we've put up some of our outdoor privacy curtains around this pool area to give the homeowner some privacy. You can see we are very flexible when it comes to our installations. We do as much or as little as you need to get the privacy you need. So you can see here the customer has Florida glass all underneath here. I personally don't, the Florida glass look doesn't appeal to me, but it works for some people. But they just needed to go to the door right here where the screen is normal and the home, you can see the roof of the home next door is just that close. So this gives them some privacy on the side when they're enjoying the hot tub. And then across the back, even though they have a lake view, it's not a big lake. And then the home right there, you can see we just went to the door there because they've got privacy. No windows, no view of the next door neighbor's enclosure. So this gives them all the privacy they need without having to do the entire cage in curtains. So that's it. We never try to sell you more than you need. We try to meet your, make sure we get your privacy needs taken care of, and that's it. So if you need privacy or shade in your outdoor space, give us a call at 321-220-9444 and talk with our AI assistant about what you need. And if you can provide some measurements, she will give you a pretty darn accurate quote. Or you can also ask to talk with a live person, and she will take your contact information and get you over to me or my son Hyatt, depending on which coast of Florida you live on. So again, 321-220-9444, or visit us at LanaiCurtains.com and check out our privacy and shade products, and we would love to help you get privacy or shade in your outdoor space. Thanks for stopping by our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Help us get views, help us spread the word about what we believe is Florida homeowners' #1 best middle price point product for getting privacy and shade in your outdoor spaces. Have a great day.